This is Aubrey at 11 months old, walking in the garage of our new house that we're building. She doesn't know I'm filming her. She's doing great. Look at her go. Very good. Very good, Aubrey. Good job.
Wait for the top. Wait for the top. Oh, wait a minute.
You're going to make it all the way to the steps? I think so.
Get down. Get down.
Good job, Bella girl. You did it. Good job, honey. There's no stopping you now. Yay! You did it! Aubrey, yay! Good job, honey. There she goes.